Good morning friends, welcome to today's video. Lorikeets are brightly colored parrots. The rainbow lorikeets are very friendly and affectionate and exhibit comical characters. They can feed 30 to 40 eucalyptus flowers in 1 minute. Their diets are fruits like apples, strawberries, grapes, melon, cherries which have water in them. Try avoiding acidic fruits. Now coming to their breeding. Breeding season is from September to December. They mate generally for life using hollows found in old trees to nest.